Hello guys, this is part 2 of Statue of Unity vlog. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it down in the description box. So the drive from Statue of Unity to Jungle Safari is not much. It just takes 5 minutes and there's this huge entrance. There is this tickets counter over here. Children 3 to 15 years, it is 125. For adult it is 200, and if you have any camera apart from mobile camera, then there is a charge for it, 125, 200 and likewise. There is this Black Panther sleeping there, and you can see the leopard there. There are benches inside here to sit because you have to walk throughout, and it's a huge space. There is a white tiger. He's sleeping there. Wow, he woke up. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Tiger.
This entire thing is covered with a glass, so it's very safe. Sitting at the back of this vehicle, we are going here to see rhinos, bison, and lion is not here. Lion is in the cage. It's a nice experience. These are the rhinos. Anna, can you see? Two rhinos. Amazing. These are bisons.
Wow, so strong.
Wow.
Very strong.
The muscular.
This is Indian aviary.
कितने नजदीक से पीकॉक
Peacock and yeah.
Massive green. We saw amazing birds and it's worth seeing. I feel like you enter a beautiful world. There's so many kinds of birds which you see closely. From the parking, the main parking of Statue of Unity, we've come walking to Children Nutrition Park. It is just a 4 minutes walking distance from there. So if you have a child with you, I think it will be a good place to visit. So let's see how it is. There is a queue at the entrance. Children below 3 years it's free, and children from 3 to 15 years it's 125, and for adult 200. Card payment only. So everywhere in Statue of Unity, wherever there is a ticket counter, they accept only card. Child and nutrition wala jo ticket tha, we did not book it online, but we got it immediately over here. There was no rush at the ticket counter. They're taking one person inside. Not sure why they are taking so long for the entry. We are waiting here in the queue. So after the ticket counter, there is the seating area here where we have been asked to sit. So that's why I think they are doing it one by one, not like a huge mob going inside. This is the train which has come here, and I am excited for the train.
And I the rock paper scissors too.
No, now we will enjoy the train ride. Chalo.
से फल और सब्जियां खानी चाहिए उसके बारे में बताया गया है। यहाँ पे 3 चार्ट है, उसमें से पहला वाला चार्ट येलो कलर का चार्ट समर सीजन का है।
Anna, all the best.
चलो अब सेकंड कर ना बेटा।
Put it in the basket. Throw it a little hard.
Yeah, farther.
Throw up. Yes.
Amazing.
Superb. It's a nice interactive game of choosing healthy food so that kids understand what is healthy and what is unhealthy. This is a game zone for kids. There is one more kids play area where kids can play and parents can just chill and relax. These places are air conditioned inside. So this place is nice. If you have kids, they give some good information about food, like what to eat, what not to eat, which are seasonal foods, how milk is processed, how various milk products are being made in the factory and supplied to us. They are going to learn these things in an interactive way, in an interesting way. So my daughter enjoyed here because it's like learn with fun sort of an activity. Then they even enjoyed the toy train experience. There are these game zones here, which is again interesting for them. This is a huge place. It takes like 1 to 1.5 hours to explore this place. But then at the same time, you can just rest here, just let your kids play. If you are coming to this place, then do visit it because it's just in the same premises. So why not? This place is called Tiffin Box. They are giving information about some important foods. Kids have to wear the headphones and listen to it.
आप सबने सुना ही होगा कि जल ही जीवन है।
Flies on a flies! Finally we are out of the Bhool Bhulaiya, and it was actually a Bhool Bhulaiya. It was fun, like, you know, if you have kids, they'll enjoy it. And in real, it was a Bhool Bhulaiya, not like something kiddish or fake. So even the adults, they got lost over there. We were not able to find the way out. So yeah, it's fun. It's fun. On the road of Statue of Unity, on the right hand side, while going to Surat, you will find this restaurant Jagdish, which is right next to Ekta railway station. So here, this is a very old brand, a very reputed brand, and it's since 1945. We are having their theplas, which are freshly made methi theplas. Nylon khaman. This is the chutney. This is a pickle. This is Save Khamani. We have also taken some snacks which are their famous snacks. Lilo Chivdo. This is actually like, it's a wet chivda, like, you know, it's a moist one. Methi Gathia. He said it's quite famous over here. And this is again their famous full vadi. And he said that their bakar vadi is very famous. So I am curious to know how their bakar vadi is, and they have two versions in this, with garlic, and the other one is Jain one, that is without garlic. I hope you liked this video and also watch my other Gujarat trip videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to a YouTube channel is absolutely free of cost, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching till here, and I shall see you in the next one.